Hey there, welcome to the Binary Millionaire Method. First of all, congratulations. I can bet you don't have a slightest clue what you have in your hands right now. This is gold. This binary options and forex method, it cost me, I can't tell you, hundreds and thousands of dollars to learn each bit of it. Okay, this method not just works in binary options but also in forex, and it has the power to make you, big statement here. It has the power to make you a millionaire in less than a year with extreme ease period. You just need to learn this one strategy that I'll be teaching you in this course, and it can set you free for life. And you'll never have to worry about money if and only if you are patient, you are disciplined, and you work smart. Just do what I show, just follow the strategy, master it. This one skill, and you don't have to go to colleges and learn about 100 different things to make money. No, you just need this one strategy, and now this strategy is in your hand. So I just want you to become aware of its power and then proceed, because this is the kind of education that big dogs at Wall Street will teach you for millions and millions of dollars, and then still it will be a great deal for you, and you've got it for way, way cheap. So why just not make good use of it? Okay, so I just wanted to start with this because you know what you have in your hand. Now let's get started. So what is binary option? It's just like a coin toss. If simply we put it, it's just like a coin toss. You have to predict whether a currency pair, a stock, a commodity, etc. will go up or it will go down. The price of the currency pair or anything will go up. I mean, to the top or down to the bottom from the point you enter in a specific expiration time. And what I mean by that, I'll tell you in a second. Now, if you win a coin toss, you get 200% back. Like you put down $100, you get $200 back. Just like that, in binary, you'll be getting 170 to 195% back, depending upon the broker. So if you lose all. But if you win, you put $100, you'll get $190 back, or maybe 195, 185, depending on your broker. Okay. Now there will be an expiration time. So the expiry of the trade can be anything, whatever you set. It can be 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or even a couple of days if you are taking long-term trades. Okay, now our strategy, particularly, we trade 5 minute expiration almost always. Okay, so it's just like you're playing coin toss for heads or tails. Here you will be betting on whether the price is going to go up or it will be going down. Now here's the catch. What if you know 90 to 95% times what the outcome will be? Now think about it. You do a coin toss, and you play a coin toss with your friends, and almost you play 100 coin toss, and out of that 95 times you win, 90 times you win. How much money that can make you? I am living this lifestyle right now, and I can tell you this is a life changer. The only difference being, you know, 90 to 95% of the times what the outcome will be, and that is what we learn using the binary millionaire method. Okay, there's a reason I call it a binary millionaire method, guys, because it has the power to make you millions and millions of dollars if you make the right use of it. Now, let me show you a little bit more for newbies who don't know, who don't have a clue about how binary option works and how do we trade them. Now, look at the picture in front of you. Okay, this is how binary option works. I've numbered them for the ease of your understanding. Okay, number one is the currency pair you want to trade. Now, you can select any pair, or maybe you can select stocks out of these assets. Okay, number two is the expiry. So you'll be selecting expiration time, maybe 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 180 seconds, or 300 seconds. We selected 300 because we almost always trade 5 minute charts. Okay, third, you'll be selecting the amount of money you will be trading. So let's say we are trading $250 here, and if we win the trade, we'll be getting 74% payout. 435 $5 back. So yeah, pretty good return on your investment. Now, fourth thing is you'll be selecting whether you want to put or call. I mean, you predict whether the price is going to go up or down. If you enter call, which is the green box, it means that from the point where you enter your trade, the trade is going to go up. And if after the expiration time it is upwards from the time from the price you have entered your trade, then you are going to win. And if it is below the line from where you entered the trade, then you lose. As simple as that. It's just like a coin toss. Now, the fifth thing is the green line, which you can see, which is the price. Now, that is the price that keeps on moving up and down, sideways, up, down, wherever it want to go. Okay. Now, sixth thing um, is the price. I mean, the current price that is going on. As you can see, it's 1.2768 right now. And let's say you enter a trade here and you say that it is going to go upwards from here. And let's say after 5 minutes, it is 1.2778. Then it means it is upwards and you win. As simple as that. Okay. So the seventh thing is where it shows your open trades. Okay, so you have to make sure that how much time is left for your trade to get over. Now here comes a binary millionaire method. So yeah, here comes a binary millionaire method. What if we can predict almost 90 to 95% times where the price is gonna go up or down? Yes, you'll have control to make money whenever you want if you have that type of strategy with you. Okay, so I want you to get excited and let's move forward. Now, the best thing ever, getting 90-95% win rate is not just the best thing here. I have something more for you. You can lose all the money if you are greedy or you lose your mind. So you need to have a plan. You need to have a proper money management plan. Okay, this is going to blow your mind. So get ready. I will teach you the most effective and an extremely brilliant money management plan in this course further in the next few videos. Now, what this plan here does is it has 16 steps. You'll be taking 16 trades, which will just risk 1% of your account. And that means that if you have $100, you can take $1 out of that and you can turn that into 100 times the money. And what I mean by that is you take $1 and you turn it into $100 in 16 trades. And not just by winning. I don't want you to win 16 trades in a row. That is possible. I have won 33 trades in a row at a time. Okay, but I don't want you to win so many trades in a row. You can do this by winning and losing. So there is a proper plan. And what you can do is turn the $1 into 100, then take $10 out of those 100 and turn it into $1,000, and then take $100 from those $1,000 and make $10,000. And this is how you multiply your account. And this money management plan is going to blow your mind. I will tell you exactly how much amount of trade you have to take, and that's it. Okay, so this is something I want you to get excited about too. Now, the things you require for this method to work are simple basic things. Okay, a laptop, a mobile phone if you have it, an account with a binary options broker, of course, the site where you will be trading the binary options, and check the broker's file in this introduction folder to find more information on the trusted brokers, because there are a lot of brokers who will take your money and run away. So you just need to work with the best in the business. Okay, then you need MT4 software. Now, this is a free tool where you'll be looking at charts and you'll make sure that a good setup is there to trade. Okay, then you'll need a demo account for practice with the broker. Of course, you'll be getting a free demo account with demo cash, which will help you to make the strategy work for you. First master it and then play with real cash. Now, the real cash to trade, you can start with $30, $20 to any amount of money you've got. And one thing I just want to make clear is master the strategy on demo account first using some play cash. Then you need the most important thing, and this is the most important one, hands down the most important one: discipline and patience. You need to wait for the right setup. You need to be patient. Just don't put a trade or call a trade just for the heck of it. Wait, and a good trade will come by. Okay. Now, a little about the strategy. The strategy is about looking for a good setup to trade on the MT4 software by looking at the charts with the help of some indicators. Okay, simple as that. Don't worry if you don't know what MT4 is, charts, indicators. You don't need to know that now. I'll be teaching you everything. There will be the best 3 to 5 setups in a day that will make sure you make bucket loads of money by trading the 5 minute expiration strategy work for any currency pair, commodity, stock, anything, and even on any time frames. So this is one of the best strategy, by far the best strategy out there. Now, what are the next steps? Before moving to the next lesson, I would like you to get your hands on another strategy, which is the Turbo Millionaire Method, which is for someone who is not that patient. This is for the 1 minute expiration trades, and I'll be probably selling right now the strategy for $500, but I'll be giving you that for free. This is a different strategy, and it'll work for super fast 1 minute expiration trade with almost 90 to 95% win rate too. And to get the TMM, you'll have to finalize the order and leave a positive review on my order within the first 24 hours. That's the only thing I ask you for. Also, these lessons are not everything you need. You will need personal support at times, because there will be times you'll stuck and you need some personal help. So I just want you to know that I'm not a greedy ass. I will be there to help you till you make it. So just email me whenever you get stuck. And even if you have the silliest question on the planet, or even the brilliant ones, just message me and I'll help you. Now move on to the broker's ebook in this folder to make your account at a trusted broker, and message me if you have qualified for the Turbo Millionaire Method, and I'll send you the link to download the same too. Again, congratulations and welcome aboard. Make sure you make good use of it and keep messaging me, keep emailing me. I'm here, I'm going nowhere. I'll be helping you down the road every single step of the line. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.